Hi everyone, today's topic is all about how you can delete pet in Widgetable. First, open Widgetable app on your phone and then in the main tab of the game, tap the pets option. You can see the pets option. Now here, choose a pet that you want. Then beside it, tap the three dots icon. In the pop-up, choose the inactivate. Then choose the dormant. Take a note that when you choose this option, you can't interact with your pet when it's dormant. If you want to undo this, scroll down to the dormant section and simply tap the three dots button again beside it. Then choose Wake It Up. As for this current update, the deletion of pet is not yet available. So for now, that's what you can do. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.